Today we're going to make a gut healing mineral broth that is also vegan friendly. What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today we are going to be making a gut healing mineral broth. Now this can be used if you're doing a fast, like a solid food vacation and you're wanting to drink broths or juices throughout. Or it could also be just something that you're drinking to help heal the gut. So let's dive right in. What you'll need is 6 carrots, 2 onions, 1 leek, 1 bunch of celery, 4 red potatoes, some peppercorns, some kombu, bay leaves, allspice berries, garlic, sweet potatoes, parsley, Himalayan salt, and some filtered water. And then to make this, you're gonna need a 12-quart or larger stock pot. So I'll just chop all this stuff up and get it into the stock pot and show you what the next step is. Okay, so we have our 6 carrots cut into thirds and we're gonna throw those into the stock pot. And the leek cut into thirds. I did sort of peel these apart and give them a bit of a rinse because you'll notice inside sometimes there's a bit of like dirt and sand and that kind of thing. So yeah, just cut it into thirds and then give it a little wash and then toss it into the stock pot. Okay, next we've got 2 onions, unpeeled and quartered. What's kind of nice about this is that we don't actually have to peel or chop everything really well. 4 red potatoes, quartered. 3 sweet potatoes, quartered. A bunch of celery cut into thirds. I did give this a rinse after I had cut it up. Just again, same with the leeks, you'll find a bit of dirt or sand kind of stuck in between there. So just give it a little wash. Half a bunch of flat leaf parsley, 5 cloves of garlic cut in half, 2 bay leaves, an 8-inch strip of kombu, 12 peppercorns, 4 allspice berries, a teaspoon of sea salt or pink Himalayan salt, and 8 quarts of clean filtered water. And once we've added our water, we are going to put our stock pot on the stove. We are going to bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 2 hours. Next, what we're going to do is ladle this through a colander into a container and then we will transfer it to some mason jars. And don't worry, we're not actually going to throw all this stuff out. My sister has chickens and they are going to love all this material. Okay, so that is the Gut Healing Magic Mineral Broth. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you have some suggestions of your own, of extra things that maybe might be beneficial to add into a mineral broth, please leave those in the comments below. Thanks very much for joining me, and I hope you guys have a really great day.